If you have to zoom in, you can see the clear and sharp details of the image. So this is the Lindu CL01 wire-free camera. This is the Lindu CL01 wire-free camera. Now this camera has got a resolution of 4K Ultra HD with a field of view of 143° wide angle. It has night vision, which uses infrared capability for clear visibility in low light. Now the detection technology it uses is passive infrared plus radar dual identification for enhanced accuracy. Now you're able to have a two-way talk where you can communicate easily through the camera. And it works with Alexa and Google Assistant. So let's unbox this camera and we're going to set it up and show you its operation. These are the items in box. Let's take a look at the camera. From the front, you've got the lens, the infrared light, the white light, the motion sensor, the indicator light, the light sensitive, as well as the microphone. At the back of the camera, you've got the speaker as well as the mounting hole. At the bottom, this is where you have the micro SD card slot, and this supports up to 128 GB of memory card. It has got a SYNC pinhole where you need to use the pin to turn on or off the camera. And then you have got the USB-C port. Now this camera uses USB-C charging, and do note that there is no charger in box. Let's charge the camera. So we'll use the USB-C cable that comes in box and use our own charger to charge the camera. When charging, the LED status will be a white light. When the camera is fully charged, the white LED will disappear. We are ready to set up the camera, but first we need to power it on. To power on, use the pin and insert it into the pinhole for about 3 seconds. You will see a red LED blinking. The camera is powered on. Next, we need to download the app to set up the camera. So from our Android phone, let's go to Play Store. We'll do a search for CloudBus. We need to install this app. Do note that the camera only supports 2.4 GHz, so your setup device, which is our Android phone, needs to be connected to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Once the app is installed, let's open the app. We need to agree. You will need to register for an account if it is your first time setup. However, if you have an account with CloudBus, just simply enter your email and password. which is what we are going to do right now. We need to check on this box and log in. We will allow the app to access this device location. Let's add a device. We'll select Smart Camera Battery. So once again, using the pin, we're going to press on the sync button on the camera and go to next.
Waiting for the Wi-Fi.
It has found our device. So we need to enter our password for our Wi-Fi network. Let's do that. Once your Wi-Fi password is keyed in, go to next.
Connecting the Wi-Fi. Connect to the Wi-Fi successful.
Let's call our newly added device CL01 camera. Let's confirm. Our device has been added successfully. So from the app, let's take a look at the camera. So this is the current view for the camera. If you were to zoom in, you can see the clear and sharp details of the image. Currently it's in HD mode. You can change it to standard definition. And the image is still as sharp and clear. We'll switch it back to high definition. Now, if you were to click on the settings icon, you can set the status lamp on or off. For video settings, these are the options. Under night vision mode, there are three options: infrared, unenable, and color light mode. Currently it is set to color light mode. For anti-flicker, these are the options. You can turn the logo and time mark on or off. For audio setup, you can adjust the volume of the device. We'll make it softer. For notification setup, you can have notifications for alert, movement, or even when the camera is offline. For cloud storage, you will need to subscribe to a plan. And currently, for internal storage, we have not inserted a SD card. Do refer to our video on how to use the SD card. And there you have the device information and upgrade. For the options at the bottom, you can turn on the light, or you can even turn it off. Now for the alarm, you can turn it on. And this icon over here is when it has detected any notification or alerts. Currently, there are no notifications at present. You can have a two-way conversation by using the microphone icon over here. You can record using this icon over here. and the recording will be saved to your device album. You can even save a screenshot. So this is the Lindu CL01 wireless camera. Do check it out.